my name is Anagha Todalbagi, and I'm here to share with you some ways to identify your strengths. So this is just an agenda in terms of the things that I want to go over. Who am I? Why is it important to know? Why is it important for us to learn about our strengths, and what can we do with this information? And what are some ways in which we could identify our strengths? I'm a senior software engineer at Duetto, a startup in San Francisco. I have been a mentee at WEST, and my mentor David has helped me a lot. So why is it important? Learning about my strengths helped me to make the most of what I have and also take on some more stretch goals where I knew I could excel at a faster pace. What can I do with this information? Similar to what I just spoke about, this just helped me grow at a faster pace. So I decided I'll just share some methods that worked for me. Online quiz and personality tests help me identify a lot of things. Here are some things that I have used. The MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator Test. There's also a free version available on 16personalities.com. And then there's another popular assessment called the Strengths Finder, also known as the Clifton Strengths. This has 34 themes. An example of that is this. I think these are the themes that they address. With a series of questions, you would be able to pick them in the order that works for you, or like your top 5 strengths or top 10 strengths. This is something that I felt also helped me with building a vocabulary in terms of expressing my strengths. For example, the way I've used this, activator and achiever are 2 of my top 5 strengths. So I think that has helped me a lot where I've led projects to be able to bring people on board and to just get started. Going back to my previous slide. There's also another one called the DISC assessment. So this helps with personality traits. And I know a lot of companies help people with this by, they have this as part of their orientation programs, but it differs company to company. And this is something that they use for assigning people to their respective teams. Method 2 is feedback. There are some formal channels that definitely help, like talking to your manager, supervisor, or your peers, or your mentors. My West mentor, David, helped me a lot here. Other informal channels where you could talk to friends and family, or also a lot of times they're hidden in clues and conversations. So sometimes if you just listen intently, there might be certain themes that keep coming up, but we might be brushing it aside sometimes. Just listening intently has helped me a lot sometimes. Method 3, introspection. So journaling, similar to how we do retrospectives at work, sprint retros at work, sometimes doing weekly or monthly retros on your own life or things that you have been working on helps. I know this is something that has served me well. So I could think through things that went well, things that I could have done better. And it just helps me become more aware of what I'm doing well and what I might need to work more on. Another thing is observing. This is again similar to clues that might be hidden in conversations. So just looking around and just being more aware of yourself and your surroundings. Yeah, so this is all that I had. I think learning about ourselves is a lifelong process. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you to get started. Good luck on your journeys. Thank you.